Good afternoon, folks. It's Nola. I have a purple one now. This one has a little more, and it has a new fat quarter in it. So it's going to be it's going to be $23. Anyway, I'm going to show you what's in it. And you can have a look and see if you're interested. Okay, there's quite a bit in this one. Okay, we start out with this fat quarter. So pretty. Then we're adding in this one with the purple and the green. And here again, the purple and the green. And this is a purple piece here. Very shiny. And then we have some upholstery fabric with a deep shade of purple, or aubergine, or whatever you call purple. Goodness, threads everywhere. And then we have this stretchy piece of purple, shiny on one side and dark on the other. So both sides are good. We've got another piece of upholstery. It's in that same aubergine color. We have this yummy piece of light aubergine with gold. Then we have this one. Great for flowers again. Then we have this one. And this one. Lots of color in that one. And then we have this piece. And this piece with the sparkles on it. This one with the gold. This one with the gold and the pink and the blue. We have this one, which is shiny and gorgeous. And this little decal. And this piece, costume again, very stretchy, fun. And this sleeve with lots of bling on it. A purple piece of lace, ruffle lace, some gold dangles on chain, the gold applique with the half-back pearls, this purple trim, and then this gorgeous piece. So, and I'm going to tie it up with some purple ribbon. So there you go. This one is this one is 23 and it's number 58. So thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye now.